how to add text in your Instagram story. So let's say you want to add some text to a picture that you're posting or a video that you're posting on your Instagram story. It's real easy to do. So go to your Instagram, swipe left to post a story. I'm just going to take a picture here. And what we can do is go to the text box at the very top where it says the capital letter A and the lowercase a. This will allow you to add text to your story. So I'm just going to text, I'll type hello there. And what you can do is you have a lot of options. You can mess with the color of your font. You can go ahead and add effects to your font here. So then what you can do is really shape this and turn it around if you want to. You can also go back and edit this text. So I'll go ahead and click on the text, and you can go ahead and edit what you want to say. You can edit the colors and the types of styles. You can go ahead and turn off your borders, have different effects on there. So there's a lot of options that you can do to go ahead and add text to your Instagram stories and make it a little bit unique and different. And that's it. That's how you would add text to your Instagram story.